The Southeast Alaska Watershed Coalition works to restore fish habitat, wetlands, and streams through a coalition of community-based watershed councils, tribes, and local governments. As an example, coalition members work with businesses and agencies to restore wetland and stream functions that are lost when unavoidable impacts occur from development and other activities. To ensure the wetland functions being lost are mitigated, coalition members are adept at running functional assessments to identify the functions lost and the functions restored. The coalition is also involved with rain gardens. Runoff from parking lots and roads contain harmful pollutants such as oil and brake dust containing copper, which run into local waterways. Diverting this runoff into rain gardens helps to filter these contaminants out before they reach the streams and rivers. Coalition members have also taken an active role in helping to enhance coastal habitats by designing and constructing rock octagons, which improve tide pool habitat. Fish passage is another area of great concern. In the past, roads were constructed with little regard for fish. Coalition members identify problem culverts and work with several organizations and agencies to find financing and to replace culverts which block salmon from vital spawning habitat. Once problem culverts are replaced, the next step is to revegetate disturbed areas. Revegetating stream banks is crucial in providing much-needed cover for young salmon to hide from predators. In addition, ongoing invasive species monitoring and eradication are part of the work that coalition members are helping with. Through this work, the Southeast Alaska Watershed Coalition hopes to forge a new understanding and practice of working with our local ecosystems so that we can all continue to reap the benefits of a healthy environment.